All right, it's Mark Sugar here from Dodge City in Saskatoon. We're at the Edmonton Oilers game with a brand new Ford Limited truck. So let's just have a look. These 20-inch rims, F-150 power boost. So this one has the 145-inch wheelbase, 3.5 liter power boost hybrid. This is a full hybrid. You got your screen in there. This is fully loaded right there. So 9.7 liters per 100 kilometers on the highway, 9.8 liters in the city. There's the window sticker right there. Let's have a look around. So the Super Crew, large doors at the back. You got the tailpipe out the side there, limited badging on the back there. Your cameras right there with your trailer technology, spray and bed liner right there. You can see the step. It's probably inside that bed right there. I do work at a Ram store, so I prefer the Rams as personal preference. This is a look at the new Ford. You got your, if you forget your keys, you can just type in your thing right there. Take a look. Take a look. That's their new screen. That's to compete with the Ram trucks. Look at the quilted seats here. Pretty nice. And you see how the window dips down there as well. Got some venting on the side here. And here are the trim levels. So you start with the XL, you go up to the XLT, then the Lariat, which is like a Ram Laramie, King Ratch, which is like a Ram Longhorn. Then you got your Platinum, you got your Limited, which is like a Ram Limited. Then you got your Tremor package, and then you got your Raptor. And then above that, it's not showing, but it's the Ram TRX. It's not shown on here, of course not. So there it is, Edmonton Oilers game, brand new Ram, or brand new Ford. And stay tuned to my channel. We'll have more Ram and Dodge content, of course, including a black Ram TRX that's on my video. So just wanted to show you that, and we'll do another video on the new Lightning electric Ford truck. Okay, there's a look at the grill. What else do we have on the window sticker here? Surround cameras right there. So what else it says? 12-inch productivity screen. Yeah, 29 miles per the gallon. Okay, all right, that's all. Mark Sugar from Dodge City in Saskatoon signing off.